What's up, guys? If you like cars, click like, subscribe, and follow my channel. We're going to do an overall checkout of my 1983 Ford F-150 Stepside. Yeah, I'm pointing it at a Bronco. Here it is, guys. It's been sitting since a long time. Sticker gives it character. Pretty nice truck. Could be a real nice truck one day. Take a little bit of work. More work than I put into them. I gotta start putting the work into these. This video gets 20 likes. I'll have this thing in primer. How about that? That's a whole nother video right there. Yeah. 86 money. Anyway, let's sit over here and see if we can get it started. Tell how much gas it's got in it, guys. I don't know. It's just really hard to tell. You can check that. Now see this motor right here, guys? This was supposed to be a 289, they said. They said because the way the head set back, I don't know. If anybody is a Ford guy and they know about these trucks, could you let me know? Make sure. Because I've had a few people say yes, it's a 289. But anyway, I don't really know what size motor it is, except for maybe a 289. And it's a good old truck. I mean, it's always started to run. Just try to paint a little bit of stuff on it, keep it from corroding, you know. Long story short, I could redo this truck in no time. It's just having the cash to do it. Nice truck overall. Rooster says, get out of the bed. I've been out of the bed. For some reason you gotta like pump it 90,000 times. Uh-oh. I'd say it's out of gas. Looks like the hand says it's out of gas. Like and follow if you really, really like this video, bros. Yeah, she's out of gas. Radio works, but you know, it's just like a $20 radio. I'm already awake, bro. Well, anyway, guys, Tell me what you think about my truck. You know, it's a pretty good old truck. It's a 1983 Ford F-150 Stepside. The only thing that can make this truck any better is if like chip boost would fix it, you know. Oh, I mean literally clean everything up, you know. Clean them drip rails. Fix the bed. Put all that wood back in there. New strips. It's a good old truck though, I swear to you. It never fails to start. If I wouldn't have done a YouTube video today, guys, that rooster would have never made a noise. Never. But he says, well, he's going to do a YouTube video. So guess what? I'm going to crock-a-doodle-doo 50,000 times. Anyway, guys. Done with the video. Like I said, if it gets so many likes, I'll put this truck in primer. If it gets a bunch of likes, I mean like amazing likes, I'll tell you what. Next time you come on here, it'll be a different truck.